afternoon, students. Today we are going to read English 2. So come to page number 66 in your English 2 book, Jen's English Reader. There you will find one chapter, that is My Garden. Here it is a poem, and see that there are no divisions. That means the garden chapter, the title of the poem is The Garden, and the chapter has only one stanza. So how many stanzas are there? Only one, because the poem is not divided into various parts. As earlier when we are reading another poems, there you have seen that the poems are divided into various portions, and one portion will tell stanza. Some stanza has 3 lines, some stanza has 4 lines, but there is only stanza in this chapter. So let's start reading the chapter, but before going to the chapter, let's elaborate the picture that is given on your book. So come to page number 66, let's see what is given here. Sun is bright, shining brightly, there are clouds, and the boy is there holding a little plant in his hand, and the boy is in a garden. So relatively the picture is given very relatively, because the name of the chapter is My Garden and the boy is standing at a garden. So there is a boy holding one plant. So there is a beautiful message in this poem. The poem is carrying one beautiful message that we will learn after reading the whole poem. But before that, let's read line by line. This is my garden. So who is I here, and who is telling that my garden? The boy who is standing here. So the little boy is telling, this is my garden. So the boy is standing in a garden, and that is his garden. I will plant it with care. So the boy will plant every sapling. Sapling means little plants. Okay. So the boy will plant every plant or every saplings with care. Very carefully he will plant the seeds. Here are the seeds. So the boy has some seeds holding in his hand. Although we cannot see the seeds, but there are some seeds definitely, as it is written over here. So here are the seeds I will plant in there. So who is telling that this is my garden? The boy. And the boy has some seeds, which what he will do with the seeds? He will plant it where? Where he will plant it? He will plant it in his garden. And how? With so much care. Carefully he will plant the seeds in his garden. The sun will shine, the rain will fall. So we know that the sun shines brightly and the rain falls. And what the plants need to grow up tall? The plant needs the sunlight and the rain. This is very essential for the trees. As we eat our food now, to be healthy, to grow up tall, we need our food, we drink water. So the trees have also their life. As we need oxygen, they need carbon dioxide, so that they get from air. So what are the essential things for the trees or plants? 1. Air. 2. Water. And 3. Sunlight. These are considered to be the foods of the plants or the trees. Without these 3 essential things, they will no longer live. So the plants are planted by whom? By the little boy with so much care. The sun will shine, the rain will fall. Why? Because there are plants now. So to grow the plants, to take care of the plants, rain is very important. If it did not rain, what we do? We water the plant. We give water the plant so that they will not die. The seeds will sprout. Sprout means, suppose this is one seed, and suddenly you will see that there is a little sprout coming, or the seedling, what we call as seedling. The little thing coming out of the seed, and from that leaf the plant will grow. Something comes in the bottom which will stay under the earth, and something comes in the above portion over the plant, on the plant, that will grow on the earth. So there is a tree. Suppose this is the earth, and under the earth there are the roots of the tree, and then the tree grow tall, and then it becomes tall, and this is under the earth, and this is over the earth, on the earth. And here the tree gets sunlight, rain. These are essential too, because in forests and jungles we don't give water. So where the tree gets water? The tree gets water from the rain, and they hold it with their roots. So rain is very essential for trees. In our home, which we plant at our home in tubs or any other pots, where we plant the trees, there we give water. To them we give water. But the plants who are in jungle or forest, there to no man lives. So how they get water? From rain and from sunlight they get their foods. Okay? So when the seeds will sprout, the seed will sprout when they will get the sunlight and the water from the rain and grow up tall. So this is how the tree will grow up tall after getting the rainwater and the sunlight. So let's read the poem once again. This is my garden. I will plant it with care. Here are the seeds. I will plant in there. The sun will shine. The rain will fall. The seeds will sprout and grow up tall. So here all the lines are written very rhythmically, and you have to by heart the poem for your Viva exam, because afterwards when you will watch the video, afterwards I will ask you to say the poem before the class. Okay, so you have to by heart the simple poem. Now come to the next page. There you will get the sequential order. You have to arrange the sentence in sequential order. What is the number of the sentence? You have to write 1, 2, 3. That means which sentence comes in the first and which sentence comes in the second. You have to rearrange it. So first I am writing as it is written on your book. Then we will give the number. The seed will sprout. The seed will sprout. This is the number one sentence, and before that there is a blank space for the numbers. Next, I will plant a seed. I will plant a seed. Next, the plant will grow tall. The plant will grow tall. Next, the rain will fall. The rain will fall. And the last one, the sun will shine. So you have to rearrange the sentence by reading the poem. Okay, so students, now I am giving the numbers. First sentence which we get from the poem, that is, I will plant a seed. So the boy has one seed, he wants to plant it under the earth, and we know to plant a tree we need to dug the soil first, and after digging the soil then we can put the seed underneath, and then we can cover it with the soil. Then putting some water and getting the sunlight, the plant will grow, and it will grow up to a grown up tall. So now I am giving you one number, that is the I will plant a seed. Next, that is the sun will shine, because I have already told you that the sun will shine, and after getting the sunlight the seed will sprout and it will be turned into a tree. Next, the rain will fall. So I am giving 3 number to the rain because rain is equally essential for the plant. So 3 number it will be. Next, the seed will sprout. So 4 number will be the seed will sprout because after getting rain and sun the seed will sprout. And what will be the final one? The plant will grow tall. After getting sun, after getting rain, after then the seed will sprout and it will be grown into a grown up tree. So that is all about today's topic. The rest of the part I will give you in your WhatsApp.